Let's look at how to use the undo send feature in Gmail. Okie doke. First click on the settings wheel here and then go down to settings. Loading. And then all you need to do really, just go down to general, look undo send, and just make sure that little box is ticked as it is. And then you can also select how many seconds you want the delay to be. So you got 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. I set mine to 20 because 30 is too long. 10 and 5 way too short for me to be able to undo something. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you've done, just go down to the bottom, click Save Changes. Mine isn't coming up as I've already done it before. And then we'll send a quick test email to myself. So just go to ned.dave@gmail. Okay, so once you put all in your information there, click send, and when you enable that feature, the undo send, this little box here will appear. So it just gives you that time to undo it. If you click view message, it will automatically send it, so just to be careful with that bit. Okay, quick video on how to use the undo send feature in Gmail. Thanks for watching.